All right, ladies and gentlemen, here's the trade I took today. 55 points around, or it's a 1 to 3 risk reward. I know I said I was going to take 1 to 1s, but I just got trailed out today for pretty much a 1 to 3. Um, yeah, let's get into this trade recap. So coming into the day, I honestly had a neutral bias, and the reason I had a neutral bias was we were in this 4 hour gap. We also had this 30-minute bullish gap as well, and then an hourly bearish gap with the protected high inside, right? So I did not want to long because we're longing into a protected high, right? I also did not want to short because we're almost at all-time highs. So I just thought I was just going to sit around and see what price gives us. So we're also generating this liquidity. As you see, it's pretty much trendline liquidity. We had these data lows. I don't even know if they're data lows, but this is from Asian session when it opened. We came all the way down and it looked like where the candle closed. But yeah, so we're generating all this liquidity. Market opens, right? And since we didn't inverse this gap, right, when market opened, this 30-minute or this 15-minute, whatever you want to call it, I was like, I'm going to just sit on my ass and see what price gives us. We started coming up, right? The reason I did not take longs again was because this is a protected high. We did not sweep any major liquidity. If we swept out this low and then inverse this 5-minute gap, maybe I would have gone long, but I still don't like this protected high. Now, we finally came up into this hourly bullish gap. We also took out Asia highs, which were up here. ES, same exact thing. ES really doesn't matter about today because there's no SMTs. And then if the hourly actually inverse, then I would have been open to taking longs up to buy side, like all-time highs. And there's going to be people today talking about why'd you short, we're at all-time highs. I get that, but it's just like, bro, when we're generating all this trendline liquidity, and it's like, it's not even equal lows, right? Market really does not care about equal lows when we're at all-time highs, but when we're generating trendline liquidity, there's so many stop losses here that like the market's going to want to run it. And for right now, it's respecting, as you see, like we're generating even more. We tap the gap, or we tap the line, push up, tap the line, push up, tap the line, push up. So I think PM session could actually get a good move. But so market comes up, we take out session highs, right? And I saw, let's go over to the 1 minute. I saw these two 1 minute gaps stacked up, and I did not take it off this, right? I really did not have high conviction off this. I could have taken it, but the risk reward would have been a little bit worse. I actually took it off the 2 minute when we inverse right here, and yeah, stop loss. I just fucking estimated that. Break even was actually right here. So when we started getting this push up and we made this up candle, my break even was actually right here. And then first take profit, and then the rest I was just going to trail because this first take profit is actually inside this 5 minute gap. So I didn't know if you wanted to come down, sweep out this low, and then push higher up to buy side. So at least I would have secured some profit. Yeah. So anyways, I entered off the 2 minute inverse. Now, one thing I did move stops to break even a little bit earlier just because, chart on NQ, execute on MNQ. I saw NQ actually took out this low before MNQ took it out, and it's not anything significant. Like, we took it out, but you see where we took it at 8:56 here, and then on NQ we actually took this out at 8:54. So like a minute difference, I guess you could say. I don't know, we can get more exact. 8:55, 8:56. So yeah, 1 minute difference. So yeah, so I moved stop loss, or I moved break even a little bit earlier, but it's all because I'm watching what NQ does. But when we were pushing up here, I was low key clenching cheeks because I did not want to get stopped out because I knew it was like it's not dumb to be shorting this, but like I thought we might want to run buy side before we kind of reverse. I don't even know, bro. But yeah, I took it off the 2 minute, and then I was just targeting this trendline liquidity. I wanted to target data lows. Shit, I wanted to even target these equal lows right here that we have, but like I was asking for too much. So I was targeting this trendline liquidity, or like the start of it. We never actually ended up running it. We just formed even more. So I ended up getting trailed out like right here. But yeah, so that's pretty much the trade recap from today. Definitely not it wasn't a bad day. You definitely should have had your eyes open to both scenarios, either longs or shorts, just depending on what price gives us. Yeah, I mean, nothing else. Am I missing something? I don't think so. Yeah, that's pretty much the trade. Another trade you could have taken, I talked about this 5 minute earlier, like this 5 minute inverse. Me personally, I did not want to take it just because we're targeting protected highs in this hourly gap, right? What else? What else could you have taken? Could you have waited for this 5 minutes inverse? Did this even inverse? That's what I'm trying to see. Like we barely inversed it. Yeah. Yeah, you could have. I don't know where your break even point is, but yeah, I guess you could have hit one take profit probably for like a 1-to-1. I don't really like 5 minute entries. I just feel like my stop has to be bigger because it ends up there's a position like on the 1 minute or the 2 minute after the 5 minute does its thing. So yeah, that's why I kind of avoid 5 minutes. But yeah, so that's pretty much the trade from today. Not bad, 1 to 3. So yeah, nice way. First winning trade, I guess you could. Yeah, first winning trade this week. I mean, the rest got stopped out at break even or I didn't take a trade. So first actual trade of this week, and yeah, we'll see what Friday gives us. I appreciate you guys for watching this trade recap. I'll see you guys tomorrow if I take a trade. Peace.